Hello everyone, we are going to present our recent work, Real-Time On-Device Phase Restoration with Cross-Domain Distillation. We first developed a full phase restoration based on cross-domain knowledge distillation. We proposed a lightweight model for real-time phase restoration and measure its performance on several edge devices. We then applied the model to real-time applications of video conferencing and video editing. Experimental results show that our method can substantially enhance the perceived quality of faces in videos. Figure 1 shows the overall training pipeline of our face restoration. We first train a teacher model on high-quality images with synthetic degradations. We then apply it to real low-quality images for training a real-time model. Figure 3 shows the learning strategy of our face restoration model. So why do we need cross-domain distillation in real-time face restoration? Although the teacher model can be trained with synthetic degradation and generalized to real low-quality images, the domain shift becomes a noticeable problem when training lightweight models. As shown in the right figure 2, we found that a real-time model trained on real data has better quality than the same network trained on synthetic degradation. We compare the performance between the teacher model and student model in terms of the parameter size and the inference time. You can see the advantage of using distilled model instead of the giant big teacher model. And we also did a quantitative evaluation between training the real-time model on FHQ data and training the real-time model on real data. You can see the advantage of doing distillation on real data instead of FHQ data. We also measure the performance of our real-time models with two resolutions on 3 devices as shown in Table 3. We use OpenCL for model inference on Pixel 6 and WebGL for inference in laptop web browsers. There are 2 example applications of video conference and video editing of real-time face restoration. Thank you, everyone.